Good Friday! I know you know what we're making. Hors d'oeuvres pizza. A Hellmann's 1978 recipe. I searched high and low for a serving plate that looked like the one in the picture. It's not exactly right, but it's pretty close. And the server was really hard to find, and it is not the right one. The one in the picture is very ornate. I would have bought it if I could have found it. This is the closest I came. But it looked new. It was very cheap. It was like $12. It just says stainless. It's very pretty. It's like new. So we're making an hors d'oeuvres pizza. Honestly, mushrooms and the cheese filling sound good. Tomatoes and the filling sound good. I don't know about a mouthful of parsley. We're going to have tomatoes, mushrooms, parsley, chopped egg, and black olives. The picture shows the slice on the server. Will you be able to pick it up? I don't know. Will it break apart? I don't know. I wanted to taste the cream cheese mayo and blue cheese, which is optional, listed as optional. I wanted to see what that tasted like on the crust with some veggies. Again, I'm not so thrilled about a mouthful of parsley sprigs, but it looks pretty. It's a pretty picture. Show it again. You thaw out a pie crust, spread it around. They say bake it on a baking sheet and then transfer it to a serving dish. I don't see that as a good idea. How can you transfer an 11-inch, you start with a 9-inch pie, spread it out. But how do you transfer that from a flat baking dish into here without breaking it? So we're going to cook it in here. Maybe spray it with a little Pam. Isn't this pretty? I think this is Irwin. Is that upside down? Yeah. This is an Irwin tray from the 70s, I believe. Beautiful condition. We'll put the pie crust in. I'm tempted to put parchment paper down because it says to poke the crust with a fork, and I don't know if I want to damage this. We'll see. We'll see if I have enough parchment paper. So we bake it at 425 for about 8 to 10 minutes. Spread in the cream cheese mayo and blue cheese and chill it for 4 hours. So if you're aiming for noon, you got to start early. All right, too much talking. Look, you know what mushrooms and tomato and parsley look like, so all of that's in the fridge. Oh, let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Are you supposed to get this out of the pan? I don't think I can get this out of the pan. That's not good. This isn't gonna work. God damn it. No! Oh my God. Hey! Wait. This is not good. Man, it's very thin. It said to use a frozen pie shell. It's better than nothing. Oh, it tastes good. I can taste the blue cheese. That's all she wrote. We got a lot left over. Into the fridge for 4 hours. 4 hours gives us time to cut the veggies. See you later. So I clearly ran out of space. Maybe I should have angled the mushrooms more. If I angled the mushrooms more, that would have given me more room for the parsley and the eggs. That's okay. Who likes parsley and eggs? We're gonna have to try to cut a piece. 2 tomatoes per slice. Let's take that off for now. Okay. Down. 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 Oh, the crust is hard. That's a small slice. Let's see if we can get the slice out, huh? Oh my God. Hey! Fruit fly. I gotta take a picture of this slice on the thingy. Up, up. Ooh, ooh. Can we pick it up? Look, I'm gonna lose stuff here, but can we pick this up? Oh man. Oh no, no, it's breaking. I knew it was gonna break. Let's take a bite. Parsley. I really like the cheese. I was thinking, right now it firmed up pretty good, I have to say. It's been warming up outside, but it firmed up pretty good. What if you chop some parsley into the cheese mix, and then you could put it on crackers. You know, a piece of bacon, piece of tomato or mushroom on crackers. I think the hors d'oeuvre pizza's fun. Let's take another bite. Whoa. I can hold it. I'll bet you that in 1978, you got more crust. I bet you got more crust with your pie, because this was very thin. There were spots where you could actually see the aluminum. Let's take a bite of tomato. That's really good. The crust is very nice. It just seemed very difficult to get off that tray and into the pan. I'm going to cut one more piece. As a conversation piece, it's beautiful. I mean, come on. Let's see if we can pick up a whole piece. This one isn't broken. Hey, this one isn't broken. Oh, that's pretty neat. It is a pizza. Take a bite. Get some parsley and egg. I really like the cream cheese, blue cheese, and mayo. That tastes really good. Let's take a bite of mushrooms. Ah, it didn't break. Huh. I'm just going to take just one more bite of the tomato. It's really good with a tomato. Maybe little pastry shells. Thanks for joining me this Friday. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.